this is on here.
Okay. Yep.
You can see. I want you to see all of those.
Oh,
Do you see them all?
Yeah.
See how many there are?
Yeah, there's like dozens.
It's gonna be.
And they're all they're gonna fit inside that?
So they're going to expand all of this. Water comes through each of these little tubes.
Okay.
And expands everything. It looks pretty crazy.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hold like this.
Okay.
You ready
And
to
on
see
the
it?
other side.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Okay. Oh, whoa, wow.
Yeah, you feel that?
Yes.
See how
Oh my
little-
gosh, look.
Look at them all go. Look
Whoa.
at that. See that?
They're all fitting
So
in there.
hold it because it's gonna start to get.
Today's episode, what we doing?
Just trying to get it out the tub. I'm not trying to let this one. I don't want this one to pop. This one looking
Okay,
big.
so these are just the remaining Orbeez that we
Yeah, I'm
have?
gonna make this one 3.
Dang.
It's kind of hard.
How many you think in there?
I don't know a lot. Ooh.
Oh, that look like a spinner with the 3 balls.
Man, this at least
Yeah.
this at least 200 pounds. I promise you.
For real?
Gotta be.
Look at them colors going on.
Yeah, look, hold on. I'm trying to get it
Unravel.
Yeah, like that. There you go. Look at that. We're gonna be dropping that.
Come on.
We're gonna drop it. All right.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, sounds only. If you laugh, you lose. Okay, I go first.
Go on.
One more try. Let's go.
Baila, baila, baila.
Let me introduce you call game, motherfucker.
Not today.
Not today? You gonna let me grab that ass if not, I'm gonna shoot you.
What do you want to shoot me?
Oh, word?
It's pickle time.
Wearing my girl's clothes to see her reaction. Gone weird.
Hey, let me have some of that.
Why are you wearing freaking boxers right now, Brian? I'm about to go out with my girlfriend. You can't just be wearing your boxers all
Where are you
the
guys
time.
going?
I'm going out with the girls. I already told you.
Shit. I'm coming too then.
Stop! Brian, are you freaking serious? Okay, let me see if you qualify. Turn around. Wait, low-key. That's about to march. Win.
My mom lied to my boyfriend about the type of paint she used.
No, I can't. I'm sorry.
You're so sweaty. Oh, you know what you should do? Just go work out so you get really sweaty underneath it.
Ah, no, stop!
Gabby! What's up? I dare you to go up to random guys and hold their hands.
Right now?
Dude, yeah.
Why do you do this to me? You know I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
Alright, fine, let's do it!
This shit's so stuck to my skin. It's like, what the? Come on, get off. Literally, what the?
Oh, yo, grab my cord right there. Grab my cord right there. You can grab it yourself, bro. Daddy.
Yo, don't do that. Do not do that, my man. Like, why you, like, in my ear, bro? In my ear. And daddy, I'm not your daddy, my man. I'm not your daddy. Don't moan in my fucking ear. Next time, get it yourself. I'm trying to help you out. Daddy, you want your cord so bad here? Daddy, get the fuck out of my car.
Hey, look, get your future.
Oh no.
You got a problem with me?
Yes.
Yeah!
Alexander, damn! You smacked me mad hard! Se tú no tenés oficio!
Then move out the way.
Alexander! You didn't smack it! Come! You don't love me anymore!
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Your forehead big as shit.
No, it's not.
All right, how about this? You ugly as shit.
Send yours? Yeah, man. I'm on my nails. See this week. Oh my! Don't go in the house. Yes, I am. No, don't go in the house. Oh my!
Dude, what is that? Take it off. I said, get the fucking thing off. Get it off. Get it off.
You're on.
So, she thinks she can do it, right? Check this out. If she can do this here, I'll give her all this money here, y'all. Everything, right? But if she can't do this, I'll take it. The skateboard. Deal? Deal. Yeah. Ready? Let's see this. Bring it up. Let's go. We're gonna do it. Right? All the way. All the way up. Let's go. I got to wrap it up. Right this way here. Okay, skateboard. Yeah, she want that money. You want that money. You give up? Let me know. She gives up. You know what? I keep the money. Yeah. And I take the skateboard. Let's go. Hold up. I'm gonna bust my ass real quick. We out. Hey.
No lo huelas, 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 no lo huelas. Verga.
Hey, I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Hey, I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Shut your dumb ass up.